Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to schedule messages on your iPhone. Let's begin. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. If you can't find it, swipe down on your home screen and search for Shortcuts. If it's missing, you can easily re-download it from the App Store. Once you're inside the Shortcuts app, tap on the Automation tab at the bottom. Now, tap New Automation. If you already have other automations running, tap the plus icon in the top right corner and then select Create Personal Automation. From here, choose Time of Day. Now set the exact time and date when you want your message to be sent. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly. If you want it to run monthly, select the specific date, month, and year. If you only want it to run once, you can simply delete the automation afterward. That's a quick workaround for one-time scheduling. After setting the time, scroll down and turn on Run immediately so it sends automatically without asking for confirmation. Then tap Next. Now, let's add the message. Tap Add Action. Then search for Send Message and select it. Tap on the message field and type what you want to send. For example, subscribe next. Tap on Recipients and choose the contact you want to send it to. You can even add multiple people if you'd like. Once you're done, tap Next, review your automation, and then tap Done to save it. To test it, tap the play button at the bottom right corner. The shortcut will send the message automatically at the scheduled time. When your message has been sent, you can go back to the Automations tab, swipe left on the shortcut, and delete it if you don't want it to repeat. And that's it. That's how you schedule text messages on your iPhone. Thank you for watching.